From planes, trains, buses, and automobiles to trucks, motorcycles, boats, and farm equipment, American skies, highways, and byways have for years been crisscrossed by vehicles powered by petroleum diesel fuel.
Petroleum diesel has been a viable alternative to gasoline because it has better fuel efficiency and burns cleaner. This is good for the environment. It also has greater lubricity than gasoline, which means your engines last longer. And the unit value or energy per unit of diesel is greater than that of gasoline, which means you go further on a gallon of diesel. What this means to the consumer, with all these different units combined, is greater savings.
The original diesel engine, invented by Rudolf Diesel in Augsburg, Germany, was intended for use with vegetable oil or animal fats, but because of the low costs of fossil fuels at the time, never came to fruition. Today, with oil prices spiraling out of control and the impact it is having at the pumps, viable alternative fuels are once again making headlines, and biofuels like biodiesel are drawing particular attention.
The benefits of biofuels are they're made from renewable resources, they're environmentally friendly, and their CO2 imprint is much lower than petroleum products.
Moreover, biodiesel produces 3 times the energy per gallon that it takes to produce it, which is 3 times higher than other renewable resources such as ethanol. Biodiesel is usually made from soy or canola oil and can also be made from recycled fryer oil, like from your neighborhood fast food or Chinese restaurant.
Biodiesel is becoming more and more available throughout the United States. In fact, the National Biodiesel Board has reported that biodiesel production has increased from only 2 million gallons in the year 2000 to over 250 million gallons in the year 2006. So this is great news for the average driver that's looking to incorporate biodiesel as an alternative fuel.
Because biodiesel essentially comes from plants and animals, the sources can be replenished through farming and recycling. Biodiesel is safe and can be used in diesel engines with little or no modification needed. It can be used in its pure form or blended with standard diesel fuel.
In most cases, pure biodiesel can be used as a complete replacement for diesel fuel. In fact, biodiesel is cleaner burning and offers better internal lubrication for today's advanced diesel engines.
Founded in 1985, SRS Engineering Corporation is a premier industrial equipment manufacturer that also specializes in methanol recovery systems, biodiesel reactors and biodiesel distillation systems, and complete biodiesel plant construction.
SRS made the transition from equipment manufacturing to biodiesel plant manufacturing because we were already in the business of designing methanol distillation columns, which are an integral part of a complete biodiesel system. We also were involved with all of the other components required to manufacture a biodiesel plant, so it was obvious to us that we should go into complete plant manufacturing, design, and installation.
The goal of SRS Engineering is to stay on top of technology, research, and development to produce the most economical and environmentally sound solutions for its clients.
The process of making biodiesel involves taking vegetable oil or animal fats and mixing them with methanol and sodium hydroxide to produce biodiesel.
SRS's mission in regards to the biodiesel division is to produce biodiesel production facilities to make biodiesel fuel in the most economical manner.
SRS's plans are unique in several different ways.
1, we have a large engineering staff which can handle all areas of the biodiesel process. 2, because our plant designs are so efficient, it increases your bottom line. And 3, because once your plant is in operation, and because our system is fully automatic, it requires little operator intervention.
The first step involved with building a biodiesel plant is to choose a suitable location. This location should have road access, rail access, and ship access if possible. The second step is to determine the size of plant that you wish to build, and from there, the feedstock that you can run through this system. There are various feedstocks like soys, palm oil, eutropia oil. Once this is done, we can do a complete plant layout determining the different various equipments necessary to build this plant. And from there it goes into engineering phase, and the last phase is construction.
There are basically 4 major steps required to build a biodiesel plant.
The first step is to make an esterification unit that will remove the free fatty acids from the oil. The second step is to do a transesterification process, which basically meters all the various chemicals to make a methyl ester. The third step is the recovery of methanol by use of a distillation column, and the fourth step is the polishing of the biodiesel to meet ASTME specifications.
For more information, contact SRS Engineering today or visit srsengineering.com.